Before we start adding XP and leveling, we need to think about the future of our game. Later on, we want to add a full skill tree, equipment, stat upgrades, and passive bonuses. So we need an XP system that is clean and scalable. So instead of just throwing variables everywhere, we're going to build a simple architecture that we can easily expand in future episodes. We'll create a player stats system that will store all the characters' values like health, speed, attack, and anything we add later. Then we'll create a separate XP and leveling system whose only job is to track experience points, calculate level ups, and notify the rest of the game when the player levels up. Finally, we'll keep everything modular. So when we get to skill trees or equipment, we can plug them right in without rewriting anything. Let's set up the structure now. Now I'm creating the PlayerXP script. This script keeps track of our current XP, the XP needed for the next level, and the player's current level. In the addXP method, I increase the XP and check if we reached the next threshold. If we did, we call level up, increase the XP requirement, and trigger an event that other systems will listen to later, like a skill tree or a level up UI. This makes the system clean and expandable without changing the core code in the future. Let's test the XP system. I'll hit play, destroy a few enemies, and you can see the XP increasing. Once we reach the threshold, the player levels up and the XP required for the next level increases. Everything works smoothly, and the system is fully expandable for the future skill tree and equipment system.